Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this camera to mobile phone and transfer videos and photos. First, let me open Google Play Store in this mobile phone. Then install this app, Canon Camera Connect. I already installed. Let me open it. Tap on agree. Then again tap on agree. Then tap on skip. Tap on let's get started. Then in this mobile phone we have to enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Let me enable Bluetooth. Okay, done. Then enable Wi-Fi. Okay, done. Then on this camera press this menu button. Then we have to go to this fourth tab, connectivity tab. Then under option 1 select connect to smartphone, first option. Then select add a device to connect to. Then select OK, press this set button. Then again press this set button. Okay, now here we can see camera name. Then in this mobile phone we have to tap this button, register your camera. Tap on this button, plus button. Then select camera model. I am using R50. Tap on camera model. Then select Bluetooth. Tap on next. Tap on allow. Now here we can see the camera name. This same name you can see here. Tap on this camera name. Now it's pairing. Please wait. Tap on pair. On camera, press this set or OK button to confirm the connection request. Now it's connecting. Okay, connected. Tap on OK. Now in this app we can see two options: import images and shoot. Using this shoot option we can control this camera. We can take photos, we can record videos. And the first option, import images. Using this option we can transfer videos and images from this camera to mobile phone. So let me try that. Tap on import images. Now it's trying to make a Wi-Fi connection with the camera. It will automatically create a Wi-Fi hotspot. Then we have to connect to that Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can see it's displayed the Wi-Fi hotspot which this camera has created. Tap on this hotspot name. Then it will automatically connect to that hotspot. We don't need to enter any password. Okay, connection established. So now here we are seeing photos and videos from this camera. So let me open one video. Tap on the video. See, if we want to download this MB4 video, we can tap on this import button. I don't want to compress. Let me unselect, then tap on OK. So now it's downloading that MB4 video. It's downloading to mobile phone. Okay, done. Then let me go back, then download one image. So let me download this image. Tap on import. Then I want to download in original size. Then tap on OK. Now it's downloading the image. Okay, done. Let me open those downloaded image and video in this mobile phone. Go to File Manager app. Tap on this My Files app. Then tap on Device. Open Pictures folder. Here we can see the camera name. tap on this folder. Inside this folder we can see all downloaded videos and photos. So let me open the photo. See, so let me play downloaded video. Tap on the video name, then select the player. So now we are playing the video which I downloaded from the camera using Wi-Fi. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.